Hi everybody, this is Todd at Whiter Than Snow Appliances. If you have a dryer that's like this, it's a GE, about 10 years old. I think it's made in 2013. I have one similar like this that was giving me some trouble as far as trying to figure out why it's not working. And this is the model number to this one. And basically what it was, I checked everything like you normally would, the door switch, the idler pulley, the fuses, and all that stuff. And then come to find out, after I decided to check the start switch, it didn't feel like it was making a snap sound. So I took the board off, and there's the switch here, and this one's the power button. So you press that, start it up, or to turn it on. You set your timer and temperature and all like that, and then you press this by this button. But what was happening is that this button wasn't depressing. So I just took this board by itself, left the wires hooked up, made sure nothing was touching, and went ahead and just hit the button then, and it started right up. So what I did, I looked into this board, or this control panel, and on the back of it, as you can see, let me flip it around. Now when you press this button, that turns on the power. This pops out, hits the little button. Now, this one up here was just totally in pieces. And so there's the reason why the dryer wasn't running. That little piece was just broken. And so basically this whole panel has to be replaced just because of that little plastic piece there. So it's a poor engineering by whoever it was that made it for GE. I don't know if it was Samsung or who it was at this time, because GE was kind of set aside to be sold right after the housing crisis and all like that. So Higher Electronics owns them now, but they didn't make this particular product. So unfortunately, this board, or this display panel, is no longer available. And you can go on eBay and find them. They're anywhere from $135 on up. But to fix up a dryer, simply because of this, if you're gonna buy it, resell it and all like that, get the parts for it and so forth, you basically going behind, losing money on this one. So I just junked it out. So the board here would be worth something. Of course, you can junk it out, and the element is good, thermostats and everything. So that's retails normally. Just the element's $158, and the knob's about a little over $50. So anyway, I'll leave it up to you, but this is what I found. If your dryer's not turning on, it's a GE with that model number. Check your board panel there. Probably that's where your problem's going to be. Okay, I hope this was a help. Give us a like, subscribe, and get all kind of nifty information bits from us, whether it be about appliances, about the Bible, or marriage, or whatever it is. Thanks for watching, and leave us a comment. Thanks.